Okay. Sales budget. Sales budget is prepared on these 5 bases: product wise basis or territory wise basis, period wise basis, customer wise, and salesman wise. What is the meaning of product wise? Product wise means the budget, sales budget is prepared on the basis of product. If there is 3 product A, B and C, according to these 3 product we have to prepare product wise budget. Then the territory wise means location wise you have to prepare the sales budget on a location wise. On the basis of location we have to prepare territory budget. Period wise basis means it is maybe monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually, so that is known as product wise budget, sales budget. Then customer wise, how many customers you have in the market, on the basis of customer you have to prepare a sales budget. That means this type of budget is prepared or essential on the basis of customer. If the customer taking a lot of units for your company, so you have to give some rebate or discount or credit facilities for that type of sales budget. You have to prepare a definite sales budget for customer wise, right? Then salesman wise budget. Salesman wise budget means the budget is prepared on the basis of salesman. If you have 10 salesmen in your organization, so you have to prepare according to their ability and capability and how many area they are covered, according to their all the infrastructure or facility provided to that salesman. You have to prepare the sales budget. So let us understand a sales budget question. So there is a question: Rajesh and Co submit the following figure for product X for the first quarter of 2015. Focus here, this is the year 2015. So 2015 first quarter there is a sales unit. So month sales unit in 2015 first quarter, January, February, March. Here 2015 first quarter means year is taken from January to December. That means calendar year is a financial year in this question. So January, February, March is the first quarter. In January sales unit is 10,000 units, in February 8,000 units, in March 12,000 units. Then selling price per unit is rupees 100 per unit. Selling price is rupees 100 per unit. Target for first quarter 2016. In 2016 quarter year first quarter, that means in the same month, January, February, March, first quarter of 2016, you have to determine sales unit is increased by 25%. That means the sales which is given here, that should be increased by 25%, and selling price is increased by 10%. This is the selling price rupees 100 and it will be increased by 10%. Then additional information: a study of the past experience reveals that Rajesh and Co has lost about 3% of the billed revenue in each quarter. It is the past experience reveals that on the by forecasting of the past data, Rajesh and Co take the decisions of 3% of billed revenue, losses of bills revenue in each quarter because of returns, and that 3% includes these two things: 2% of loss of revenue due to returns and 1% bad debt. Then prepare sales budget. This is the additional information. The study of a past experience reveals that Rajesh and Co has lost about 3% of the billed revenue in each quarter because of returns. Prepare sales budget. This is the format you have to prepare for the sales budget. Sales budget for the year 2016. Then you have to prepare particulars. You have to write here particulars and January, February, March and total column, right? So in the question we have the information about 2015 quarter, January, February, March is this is the sales unit. On the basis of this sales unit you have to prepare a estimated sales budget. Okay, so first you have to take the sales unit that you have prepared in the working note. This is 2016 for 2016 first quarter, January, February, March. So sales unit in 2015 is 10,000, which is taken from the question here. This 10,000, 8,000 and 12,000 that you have to take here. Sales unit 2015 10,000, 8,000 and 12,000 plus or add increase by 25%. There is a in the question that is already given, sales unit increased by 25%, so that you have to add. So 10,000 into 25%, that is 2,500. The total amount in January sales unit is 12,500. Similarly in February, 8,000 is the 2015 sales unit, that you have to increase by 25%. 8,000 into 25%, that is 2,000. You have to add here. The total amount is 10,000. Then 12,000 in 2015 sales unit, that into 25% increase. 12,000 into 25%, that is 3,000. Add this and total amount is 15,000. That you have to put here. Estimated sales. Estimate sales units. How much? The first January is 12,500. Then in February, that is 10,000. It is already we have calculated in working note, that you have to only paste here, and then add it these three items. The total is 37,500. Okay, this is your sales unit, estimated sales unit in the first quarter of 2016. Then you have to add, then you have to selling price per unit. Selling price, you have to calculate sale value. Here in the sales budget, you have to prepare sale value. So selling price per unit, that is already given in the question, rupees 100 per unit. Selling price is rupees 100 per unit. But the additional information for target for first quarter 2016, selling price is increased by 10%. That means the selling price is 100 plus 10% of 100 means 10 rupees. So total is 110. So rupees 110. Then you have to multiply this 12,000 into 500. 12,500 units into selling price is 110. The total amount is 13,75,000. Then 10,000 into 110, that is 11 lakh, simply 11 lakh. Then 15,000 into 110, that is 16,50,000. Then total it, you have to add these three items, 13,75,000 plus 11 lakh plus 16,50,000. Total is 41,25,000. Then you have to go to the question. In question, in additional information, there is given a study of the past experience reveals that Rajesh and Co has lost about 3% of the billed revenue. So this is the billed revenue of sale value, that is estimated sale value or billed revenue. It is the bill amount, which is estimated bill amount in as per the sales budget. Then you have to deduct 3% of this as a, so less returns and bad debt at the rate of 3% on sale value. So just you have to calculate that amount. Then you get the net sale value, net sales we got. So first you have to calculate the 13,75,000 into 3%, that will be 41,250, and 11 lakh at the rate of 3%, that will be 33,000. Then 16,50,000 into 3%, that will be 49,500. Okay, then by adding up this three value, we get that was 41,000 41,250 plus 33,000 plus 49,500. The total is 1,23,750. Okay, now you have to deduct this value, net sales value we got by deducting 13,75,000 minus 13,75,000. 13,75,000, you see here 13,75,000 minus 41,250,000. the net value is 13,33,750. then 11 lakh minus 33,000. then the next net sale value is 10,67,000. then 16,50,000 minus 49,500. that will be 16,500,000. okay, by adding these three value, 13,33,750 plus 10,67,000 plus 16,500,000. sorry, then add 16,500,000. then total amount is 40,01,250. so I hope you are everybody all are understand this concept of sales budget. Thank you.